Hey folks, welcome back to our video tutorials. Here we're going to take a look at updating or removing the contact form that's located within the nav bar. So let's take a look at our demo site first so we can see what we're talking about. Now here we go. Here's an example site. We have right up here this little contact link. If we click on that, though, it actually opens up into a form. So your visitors don't need to go browsing through your site or your contact page in order to get a hold of you. They can use the contact link right up top. It really makes it easy for people to get a hold of you or send you a message via email. Now, here's how it works. When you sign up for your i3D Themes account, the email address that you used for that account is the email address that is actually embedded within this contact form. So that is where the information will be sent when somebody submits a ticket to you or submits a message to you. So when you're sitting on your download page and you see the package being assembled, this is one of the things that is taking place. Is it's grabbing the email address from your account, it's embedding it into the contact form for you and doing that work for you ahead of time. But you can also change that information if you need to. If you need to update the email address or have it go to a different email address, you can do that. But you actually do it in two parts. You log into your i3D Themes account, and then you would create some new code, and then you would copy and paste it into your contact page. So I'm going to take you through those steps right now. But first, let's address the simple one. Let's remove the contact button. To remove the contact button, we'll just jump right into Dreamweaver. We're going to open up the library folder and the contact.lbi. Okay. Now the simplest way to remove the contact button is to open up your contact page. Switch it to code view, grab this div container here that says navbar contact form, and basically just scroll all the way down and get rid of it. Just leave it blank, save it, and it's gone. Okay, you can actually load something else in here down the road if you wanted something else in your nav bar up top, maybe some icons or some text or a link or something like that. You can do whatever you want with it. So that's sort of one way of removing it. The other way to remove it is to actually go into your menu top library page. And this is a little bit more advanced. That's why I showed you the other way first. You would sort of pop in here. You would scroll down in code view. You would find this begin library item where it says contact LBI. Okay, you're going to just click in here somewhere, and you're going to select the entire lib item down at the bottom here to grab that entire chunk of library code, like so, and then you're going to delete it like that. And that's going to get rid of the menu for you. And then just to finish it off, you grab that little bit of script code and delete that. But I think it's safer and smarter and quicker just to delete it right out of the contact page itself. Okay, now let's say you want to actually go and update that address. Change it to a different email address. Okay, I'm just going to put the contact page back to the way it was before I made my edits and changes. And we're going to be actually adding a chunk of code right here where it says paste new form code here. We're actually going to grab some new form code and paste it in here. Okay. Right, to do so, let's go to our members account, our members page. All right, we're back here again. Simple way, click on the instructions button. Click on web template and basic form handler. To change the email address, simply put a new email address in here. There's one for example, hit generate. It will update the information in the field. You just grab everything within this little orange box and copy it. Go back to your editor, right in here where it says paste new form code in between those two areas. Right click and select whatever's in there to start with and then paste. And that's all you have to do. Of course, save and update.